Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. Today we will learn how to create invite link to your Telegram group. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, tap on Telegram app icon. After that, press on group which you want to create invite link. Press this one. After that, click on this icon. Tap on pin icon. Press on group type. Here you can find invite link. You can copy this link or share to your friends. If you want to copy, just press on this icon. And if you want to share, just press on this icon. Let's go back. If you want to change this invite link, just press on 3 dot here. And press on revoke link. You will get notification, are you sure you want to revoke this link? Once the link is revoked, no one will be able to join using it. Press on revoke. You will get another notification, the previous invite link is now inactive. A new link has been generated, press OK. Now you changed invited link. You can also create additional invite links that have limit time or number of users. How can we do that? Just press on manage invite links. After that, press on create a new link. Here you have several options. First one, you can make the link expire after a certain time. If you press on 1 day, you will find time which link will be expired here. You can change it as you want, 1 day, 1 week, or you can make it not limit. It means that link will not be expired in any case. If you want to set custom duration by yourself, just press here. You can change here date and time. After that, press on set time limit. Here you can find time of expire link which you create. This is for first option to limit by time period. If you want to limit by number of user, you can select here from 1, 10, 100, let's try 10. Or you can press on no limit. It means that link will not be expired in any case. Also here you can enter custom limit by click here. Let's try 88 for example and press on create link. Now you already create additional invite link here. If you want to add another new link, just press again on the same icon, create a new link. And you can also set time period like here, let's make it 1 week. And also you can limit number of user by this one, let's make it 100 and press create link. And below here you can find invited link which you already created. If you want to change or remove one of them, just press on 3 dot which shown on right, click here. By click here you have several options. You can copy link or share link, also edit link, or you can revoke link. Let's revoke link. Press revoke. You will find that link already removed. Let's go back. This is for private group. If you want to make additional invite link on public group, just press on public group and use the same steps. Press on manage invite links press on create new link, and you can set like this by time period, and limit number of user like this, and press on create link. Now you already create a new link for public group. If you want to delete all links, just press on this icon, delete all revoked link. You will get message, this will delete all revoked links. Press on delete. Now it's already deleted. If you want to delete both of those links, just press on 3 dot and press delete, revoke, click again on 3 dot, press on revoke, press on revoke. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to create invite link to your Telegram group. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.